turn the knob from hot to cold and you're like, why is this not working? Why is it still blowing hot air? I have it on cold. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your AC knobs. This is a 99 F150. I'm sure they all work about the same. Mine was cracked, so I guess pulling it out was pretty easy. But the new one was basically the same. I got it from Amazon. This Dorman, like $7. It came with 3 of them. They didn't quite match, but pretty close. They weren't. Mine are glossy. This one was like more matte. See how it's got a flat spot? You just gotta line up the flat spot with the pin and just press it in. Boom. Anyways, that's how it's done. I'm sure you'll do a better job. Thank you. Subscribe, like, whatever. Don't.